First of all, here's some great news. Seedance 2 is no longer exclusive to Pro and Enterprise. It's now included in all plans.
Hi everyone, everything you see on the screen was made with Flashboards, an all-in-one tool built for professional creators. Let me show you how it works, and at the end, I'll show you how this intro was made.
Flashboards is an endless creative canvas built for serious AI production. Drop in your images, videos, voice files, notes, or sketches, and build everything in one place, so your entire process lives right in front of you. At the center of it all is a clean, perfectly placed prompt box that keeps your focus on what matters most. Flashboards brings together battle-tested workflows and cutting-edge AI models, including Nano Banana 2, Veo 3.1, Kling 3, Seedance 2, and many more in one fast, seamless workspace. From cinematic video generation to stylized imagery, character consistency, camera control, motion transfer, upscaling, and beyond. Get started, sign into Flashboards, or create an account. You're instantly welcomed by an endless canvas. First, official boards packs where you can find some useful collections to download, more coming soon. And here in the boards panel, for inspiration, you can explore our pre-made asset collections. You'll find collections for things like models, haircuts, clothing, locations, and more. Just select any asset you like, double-click it, and it's instantly added to your board. Let's make something fast. I'll jump into models, search for Nano Banana, and pick the one labeled cheap. Now, every model comes with useful details like price and a success rate percentage. The higher the percentage, the more stable the model usually is. Some models also carry a cheap label, give you the same quality, but at a lower price. Now I'll set the aspect ratio, type a short, simple prompt, and hit generate. Add another prompt and hit generate a few times for more options. And there it is. Astonishing results. And it's not just generation. With audio, split files in one click or convert formats instantly with images, extend, crop, and for combined images or storyboard grids, Flashboards gives you the split option. Just select the image, hit split, and drag the plus button in the center. Once the grid matches your image layout, hit split, and instantly, each image is separated for you. The split tool works with different kinds of image grid layouts. Only drag to match your grid layout and you're done. And for multiple separate images, you can create an organized grid, compose an automatic collage to combine them into one image, or build a manual collage with ease. Just change the collage aspect ratio to match your images, adjust the number of columns and rows, and control the gaps between them as well. Then simply drag and drop your images wherever you want them in the collage. Hit export, and your collage is ready. Also convert images PNG or JPEG. With videos, extend and crop, just like images, a split by specific duration or split manually. Just drag the playhead to where you want the cut, hit cut, then move it again and cut once more. From there, you can export all parts, export only the selected part, or remove the selected part. For now, let's export this piece. And there you go. A short 4-second shot is ready. You can also split automatically with Flashboards detecting the cuts in the clip for you. Want to merge some of those shots back together? Just select the shots and choose Merge Videos, and instantly your shots are now merged. Now this shot is around 18 megabytes. Let's reduce the size. I'll hit compress, choose low, then click compress and continue. A new version appears right away, and it's much smaller, around 2 megabytes. Want to change the frame rate? Easy, just choose convert and pick 15 frames per second, for example. And there you have it. Want only the audio? Just export it. It's that simple. Or remove the audio entirely and you'll instantly get another copy with no sound. And finally, if you like a specific frame from the video, just scrub to it in the player and choose Extract Frame. Flashboards will extract it immediately, ready to use as your next input. And with text notes, add titles, change the style to keep everything clear and organized. And for a more personalized board, you can use the Draw tool. Choose your color, adjust the stroke size and opacity, then start drawing or scribbling right away. Once you're done, just hit done and your drawings stay right there on the board. You can also erase them anytime and start fresh with ease. Need better organization? Group items together and keep your board clean as your project scales. You can also use keyboard shortcuts to organize selections on the board. Just select multiple media items, then hold Command or Control and use the arrow keys to move and arrange everything with precision, almost like Tetris. Every generated asset keeps the details that matter and more when opened, including the prompt and the references behind the result. And when you need to find a specific reference again, just copy the name, paste it into the media browser, and bring it back instantly. With board settings and thoughtful customization throughout, every detail is built to support the way you work. Finally, in the top left corner, you'll find the Help and Updates button. That's where you can keep up with what's new and what's happening. Browse feature updates, see every keyboard shortcut, and find helpful guides for important workflows like importing into Flashboards or exporting from it. You'll also find your generation history and your storage health, because Flashboards isn't just another AI tool. It's built for cleaner frames, consistent characters, cinematic pacing, and polished results without the chaos. And now for the intro breakdown. As usual, I'm using myself as the main character, plus a couple of reference images, and this time a video as well. From the models panel, I'll choose Seedance 2.0 Omni. First, I select myself, then this collage image, add a simple prompt, and here's our first shot.
Hi everyone. Everything you see on the screen was made with Flashboards, an all-in-one tool built for professional creators. Let me show you how it works, and at the end I'll show you how this intro was made.
Now, keeping myself selected, I'll choose the other collage and the video this time. Since Seedance 2.0 Omni supports 3 types of inputs, up to 9 images, 3 videos, and 3 audio files, using the exact same prompt again. And now we have our second shot.
Hi everyone, everything you see on the screen was made with Flashboards, an all-in-one tool built for professional creators. Let me show you how it works, and at the end, I'll show you how this intro was made.
For the third shot, I'm removing everything and selecting all the images I have, same prompt again, and here we go.
Hi everyone, everything you see on the screen was made with Flashboards, an all-in-one tool built for professional creators. Let me show you how it works, and at the end, I'll show you how this intro was made.
And finally, I'm selecting only the video as a reference, making a small update to the prompt, and we've got our final shot.
Hi everyone, everything you see on the screen was made with Flashboards, an all-in-one tool built for professional creators. Let me show you how it works. And at the end, I'll show you how this intro was made.
As you can see, sometimes it's not good from the first try, so the best approach is to choose the best parts and edit them in DaVinci. And just like that, it's done.
Hi everyone, everything you see on the screen was made with Flashboards, an all-in-one tool built for professional creators. Let me show you how it works, and at the end, I'll show you how this intro was made.
Thank you so much for watching. See you in the next one.